I'm gonna check out what's going on today. Happy birthday, Sam. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you, buddy.
What are we doing here? Oh, clutch. Stuck clutch pedal.
Clutch master and slave.
It's stuck. And Sam is pumping the clutch, trying to get it to start working again.
Pump it up. Does it stick to the floor? Yeah. Hold it.
Got it.
Nothing like working on your birthday.
I should do it. How to do it?
We fix it? Problem solved. Look at it. Took Ted all 5 seconds to fix it.
Put that together, I think.
Fixed? You fix it? Of course.
Is that off?
Yeah. I just put it back on.
Start?
I don't know where the clip is to this.
Look at it. Here at Miller's, we show you work in process. In progress, not process. I'm standing on our line machine. Line machine not currently being used. Let's see if it starts up. Well, it should start. Let's see.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Another successful job completed at Miller's Automotive. New clutch successfully installed by our veteran technician / manager / owner /
Jack of all trades.
master of none. Let's see. Whoa, we got the Ford Bronco out here. Nope. And look at this nice old classic. Look at that. And what are we doing on this thing? Oh, oil change. This maintenance. I think this oil change is something else. Nothing serious, but this is a nice little Ford Bronco, which we worked on before. I think it was spark plugs, but he was happy with the results. Yeah, I want to show you that. All right, we're almost done for today. Let's go back and see what's going on in here, and I'm going to sign off. Oh, see, we're responsible here at Miller's. We make sure our oil is properly disposed of, and they came pick up our oil today. Expensive. You know why you charge disposal fee, which we actually don't charge here, because it was $225 to get rid of 3 barrels of oil and a barrel of filters. That's the oil guy comes out and picks them up. He comes every couple months, so it ain't cheap. That's why there's a disposal fee, which actually we don't charge. So we don't think, we just try to take on the cost ourselves. Anyways, that's it for me today. Everyone, don't forget Sam's birthday. So wish him happy birthday. Say happy birthday to Sam. No, not you. Hey, say happy birthday to him.
Happy birthday, Sam.
There you go. Should we make him sing happy birthday? Nah. All right, everyone. Until tomorrow. Signing off. Later.